Yeah, sure, bafethu it's your boy, it's a mate, team to my dad. If we mlan 7 okona 7 omkhulu 7 emoyeni. Bekani bafethu man we back with another episode bafethu yazini. Into ihamba yazini manje bafethu before siqala yonke lento bafethu ngisabuya futhi ngiyacela bafethu. Thini Diski Chillers bafethu. 80% to 90% inebhekela ama videos wethu. They don't subscribe bafethu sacela nje press that subscription button bafethu. It will help us not which is cool bafethu man njenge channel ayitwa. But yeah, niyazi Diski Chillers, it's up to you guys ukuthi niyafuna le channel iqhubeke iye phezulu. So bafethu namhlanje ngiphethe one of the best coaches esinayo Thokoza. Kakhulu ku development structures you like sininga ama player amaningi bafethu which is masingawabala manje like makwazi usibalela amanye wawo which is maybe adlala ku pro side now. But yeah, akazi introduce bafethu.
Sure, okay. For sure. Sambula ndekuthi ngibulisa no igama lami ulihle. Yeah, bangazi ngilihlezi nje abantu abaningi. Khulele khona la Thokoza, manje ngihlala isiluma. Umntana walahle Thokoza. Sikhule sonke ngale out ke. Same age group, everything nje. Shooting zonikeza ichain yami yebhola, think into engizelelana ne. So ngizolanda ama questions wakhe then ke ninikeze yonke into bafethu.
Ezosasho mlihlezi mfethu uthini age group yethu and cabanga kule age group yethu usicoach enokusicoach makazi ibhola yenye into mfethu so asisiqale kahle kuyabona umlihlezi uliqala vele Diski unangakhi sicale ngala iJenny football because of wenza into ezibhaya udlala ibhola icommentary coaching manje and which is coaching it was the best ingasho uthini masingabala aba coaches abaningi they have years and years lapha then I don't think bana achievements akho amaningi and which is ama achievements akho amaningi so usazositshela ngawo yabona so and the coaching ama players which is the so called big players but ke ungitshele mawuqala iDiski uqala unangakhi
Jena ibhola yokudlala I think ngiqala ibhola ngina 9 because yazi ikasi la ikasi mawe out asike since sports ongahlala nje umshini yabo if not umshini you move to amatop from that ibhola like yakunakuthi isizini yakho iyaphela idlalwa ngaya strategy yabo so ibhola ngicela ukudlala dai la bengihlala khona kamkhulu wami emakhukhuli street from there first team yami yokuqala engayidlalela bekuyi FC Pimbosi ukugcoka ijezi lebhola ngene groundini ya basithatha khona estradini vele sithathwa umunye time madala ka shoot but he's late now he's late utaslash ngacoacha nje ama player amaningi mfethu nabo mayoyo abobani bakhula kuleyo team leyo mesilala la bengekho ke under 10 noma una 10 bongena ka under 13 ushaya ibench 2 years or 3 years uzodlala amakwinwa nje bekunjalo nje so ngaqala la ukudlala ibhola uPimbosi mangisuka uPimbosi ngaya kuRobers Mountain Rovers ngithatha umzeke coach wethu mina sikuja sonke umuntu ke wangifundisa ukutshontsha ke lo because waqala ngami ukutshontsha vele bekakulanda endlini straight umuntu wangilanda endlini I think lapho benginabo ma 12 years mangiyodlalela uRobers 12 or 13 mangifika ngale kuRobers ngathweni ngidlala ibhola ke under 13 ngadlala ibhola ka under 13 from there masengizoyenza 14 years kushuthi iRovers bekune tournament under 10 but bekungana coach ayi so umzeke phela yaphethe wonke
lama division and akwazi ukwathenda wonke
so it happened ukuthi wena ikasi lakho kunentwana eziningi ezidlalayo ungihlanganisele zona ezinabo ma 10 because ne tournament yabo under 10 that's when kulandwa amatatazela I think bambiza ngocomputer abobuhle akachizukalala abovelaphi wonke la ma player lawo ama player ngicala kwa coach nginabo ma 14 years but me player but me coach
so ufocus kakhulu kuleyo under 10 leyo but then uzidlalela ibhola lakho
bengidlala ngifocus ka under 10 because besijima ngo 3:30 4 bayafika bothando sebasusa ke groundini siyasuka nge-under 10 sengiyajima nge-under 15 bekuyinto enjalo ke bekuyinto enjalo
okay kwaya so okay sithi kuleyo journey yakho le kunama trophies owawinile ne and so ngapha bekune coaching ebhaya beso focus akuye so enjoy na lento ye coaching so i-push yokuthi uqhubeke ucoach ngapha uyadlala because of igcine seyikubhora lento ekhini ngiyadlala mara ngi-enjoy kakhulu ngapha because of ukuze uyeke ebholeni it was because of i-coaching obvious.
Yeah.
So what made you decide ukuthi mfethu manje mina ngiyaliyeka lento yebhola yazini sharp ngama-player akhona amaningi and so uyakwazi ucoach nakulo under 15 odlalayo mase-groundini obvious songifile ngathi ucoach because ujwayele ngale ucoach uloku se-groundini abangakwazi abangadlalanga nawe the won't know dali labathakile ngiyakutshela kuhlaba ngesipathi so mawuyada uthini uliyeka sona ngakho ibhola uthi for sec ngiyeka into manje sengifuna ngifocusa entweni
16 years 16 years makumele nyeko under 17 mfethu ya shuthi ayabe sengibona ukuthi ayi lento le yokudlala ibhola mina ngibambezela mfethu lapho ke bese ngiphethe ama division ay2
which is under 10 under 13
and under 13 ya and lapho ngiphethe quality yabo makhulunywa ngequality into raw and la masakaza bekangaya like full charge ukuthi chita head coach mina ngizoma imuva kwakho ngizokuguide kuphela bese kunokuthi mfethu uma kumele ngize ejimini ngilove ejimini ngithi mina ngiye ejimini ngiyaqhubeka ngishaye extra session for amanye ama player ngiyajimisa to a point ukuthi mase kudlalwa under 17 noma sengaphandle ebenchini bangicalisa ngaphandle so kuno keep instruction and intanga yami leyo yenza kanje frats abantu engidlale nabo yabo singamtshela ukuthi yenza kanje hayi ngagcina vele
ubona
16 years ngathi thi focus ku
coaching so behind yonke lento leyo Mazakaza was the one uthini lihle phela focus ayenza riding ngaso obviously mona 14 years awukahluzi kangaleyo ndlela leyo so Mazakaza beka kumotivate then they akusiza noma you were just there umamele it's okay or vele wazifundela wena uyiwani.
No, he was the one behind vele yonke into when it comes to coaching. Even wrong sap bayakutshela ukuthi wrong le sap leyo yenzayo or uzolanda umuntu ongajimanga. Yazi sometimes ke la elokushini makudlala league. Into ayinokulova iviki lonke bekuuye umuntu ongayila izintweni ezinjalo ukuthi lo mina ngadlali. Yabo yenza kanje yenza so yenza kanje. Yonke into nje beka behind but
sibe umuntu vele ukuphusha wagcina ukumotivate unamhlanje ulihle the big coach namhlanje because of Mazakaza so ngitshele ke nje mawucala le coaching yakho first tournament yakho uyiwinile bekuyipi like which is okay i-tournament yokucala uthi okay ngi-coach i-coach nginayo medal yami yokuqala ukuthi ngiwinile lezi coach ezi play win amaningi nathi we know but then sesikhuluma ngayo coaching yokuqala leyo ngathi nana kusazi ukuthi yabona le iyo engayiwina and how old were you ngaleso sikhathi leso?
Yeah, I think it was 2013 and I think 2013 bese ngina 13 ilanga ngisadlala
nga2
but ngiwina ku under 10 beku December tournament le tournament engishoyo ukuthi besingana under 10 yiyo leyo tournament leyo engayiwina ngama 2000 in coach age group 2001 abo online abekadlala ku-TKZ nebengidlala ngabo Matata nabo Buhle besibiza Gauteng Community Games. I think imele la khona besidlala every year
ikhumbula tournament yakho
bedlala station 2 ka Charles ikhumbula tournament yakho that was the first tournament engayiwina utshela ukuthi masiceda ukuwina makumele sisukumisa icup amajita mawasa sukumisa bekumele sengifuneka ukuthi ngiyogcoka ku under 13 kuthi ndoda wena uku line up phela hamba ugcoka ngale mina ngisafuna ukubona intwana ezashuta obvious ngijabulile that was the first tournament engayiwina I think it was 2013 December.
So breaking it down 2013 December waqhubeka kakhulu ne then waya wagcina sewumuntu maybe so wazi ukuzimela so coach under 15 under 17 under 19 first team and ibile period leyo first team yakho coach sona ngaki
first team coaching high school 2017 for my grade 11
first team
2017 tingisho kanjani
and it was like and kulo first team leyo intanga zakho zonke
abanye bebadala nakimi mfethu and abanye bewintanga zami
but mostly
majority besilingana.
So how was it your coach first team because of the first team I found development obviously the pressure higher lapha yazi uyakwazi ukuxolisa intwana ukuthi hayi ama chances ozama futhi nanani phela ngayi uyakwazi ukuncenga ngayiyayo sitshela ka
mfethu ukutshela iqiniso mfethu bekungekho lula mfethu ukuba ne-senior mangakubalela ama-player ebenginawo la amagama wakhona nawo uzobona ukuthi yilaba ndlaba bekungadlalwa mfethu because umzeke wahamba kuMountain Rovers wathola isipani
Yeah, I wanted you to start now before you get to this part of the first team. Umzeke left, and then you were left Nama division a few.
Yeah, we were left in a division a few. I think it was under 15, 13, under 11. Under 17 being angabi khona.
yeah
Under 17 iba khona. Asekahambile ngithi umzeke. Laba uSimpiwe abulaida nabo bantu bani bayiqala under 17. That's when ngiqala coach under 17. Sebathi indoda yonke into isele kuwe manje ndihlapha ngeke iziwe. Phela bawo mancane amaklub la ithokoza. Ungaboni no station 2 bekujima amaklub ayi2. Amaklub ayi2. No, amfethu. E2 angeke ujime manje. E2 angeke uzijime. Besijima half. Ukanje enough.
yeah
So bokuna mabangay responsibility abajita bathi mfethu umzeke sekahambile sukuma manje sicoach singiya ku question yakho ukuthi bekunjani ku first team kuba coach ingekho lula most yabo ngidlale nabo bona ukishayisa apho uthola kusikapa akutshele nje straight ngesixhosa ukuthi awena xa siphuma apha and now straight
ngizakubetha
izinto ezinjalo bona ukuzithola but ke hayi sancenge ndibeswina under 17 beswina sihlala ekahle ungakhulu isihlala isprayed somhlolo kakhulu
nayi spread vele kahle ngivele ithi singayisi good because of nama tournament abhayi nama coaches amabhayi spread one challenge because of I guess isomhlolo kuyayiphatha like Cateros wayiphatha ngama division amancane ala 13 and 15 and 17 bekwazi ukuthi makufika Mountain Rovers Mountain Rovers na kanjani mele ifike and behind that bekunona Dasbeck
yeah bekakhona uDasbeck bekakhona ne but bekakhona ngiyazi ukuthi uyisikhulu yabo uphethe iClub yakhe bekakhona ngaloko yabekakhona yena into engayisho because amajezi mawahlala kuye makhadi mawahlala kuye izinto ezinjalo misizilanda kuye yabo Dasbeck shotela imali yensipho nani bekakhona yena mfethu angicamba manje bekakhona mfethu but ke ukuyirun iClub i-development yonke mibhekene nami under 17 kuyaphansi yonke
so manje bekunjani like how is it uzobamba wonke ama division ngapha usaseyintwana encane like
being affected scale nase place in bekune church niyazi yeah mina very church place ne church ngikhula vele ka sonto emfethu being affected mfethu thola ngo10 dlala under 11 am there under 13 ngo11 under 15 maybe ngo12 mase bathi 17 sedlala Sunday asakhona ke church sengile kada ngibuya ngikhathele homework ngisayibhalanga being affected escale nase church because please in fact ebeka abantu ukemkhulu ameka understand before ngakayisiluma ngisahlala ngaba bekumuntu understandayo because in fact every bengapheli inyanga icup ungangenanga ekumdividing ndake kwaba namacup noma kuza abantu bathi hayi wena ngathi uyawathenga lama cup lawa so bekumuntu bese kathi hayi miyekeleni just bekhala amanye nje ama family members wena usonti thina sikhule sonta nani ibhola but bekangekela ke yena mfethu question ya iphendula question yabo being affected izinto lezi ezithu ukurun iClub ngi1 iskela neChurch
so ngitshele bo adjusta kanjani ukuthi lesi obvious Eden Park ngibizala yini LFA bekuyini league yase Eden Park
bisla Eden Park league is under 17 is under 15 bezidlala ekuhuleni bezimele ithokoze bezidlala
region yeah but then ithi yabo adjusta kanjani lesi there's times Eden Park nama tournament cup tournament obvious kunokudlala i13 lesidlala 15
yeah makuyi away especially bekuba inkinga mfethu bekuba imess abondosi bavele 2005 mancoach ama 2002 bekuya under 15 abondosi bekama 05 nama 04 usesh bekangakasijoin but bekuyileyo group le yabo beba yazi mfethu bengize ngishiya player le under 15 elisebenchini mhlambe la ikhuzulu there was a boy bambiza ngoZulu bekangadlali too much yabo ngishiye yena ngithi mfethu ngicela uyobheka under 13 mina ngiyethema ngiyazi under 17 idlala emini so bese sibuyile Themba egaming yaseligi neregion so beshaya kanjalo uthola ama results we13 sewayabheda juthi ukuthi angikho and amajita bona lento ukuthi sifuna ucoach olihle why
consistency
so may affectwa ilento into be affect
and ngapha nayo yakhathaza usesikela nani so juthi lento le yebhola nani ukugcinewa kuyafeel esikela
I agree ngathi ngayiphila futhi
akazi wayiphila but then yama marks akho ayile ayehle esikela
ayo utshela benginokufail iThemba mfethu Juthi bengine ezi grand mfethu de awuzambe ezingadlala ibhola ezasesikolweni khona awuthamba bathu madala mina ngimfuna noThabiso umzizi bemfunda naye eclassini same class yayena ngamshiya endleleni ngeke kanjani but yena ngeke ngamshiya ke wasali endleleni ngifunda nabo sesh bafana besidlala ibhola so but mina ngaskimenya bathu madala mrena hayi that guy lo mfethu ukuthi ngime normal wese certificate hayi uye mfethu lo muntu lo yami mfethu nenye awuthe amabathu uxozi ke lezi yabe zikhona ukungitshela ukuthi mfethu awu attendanga Saturday bu business nale team yakho lento zakho zebhola lezi zwakala so kwi Sunday late siyageleza bambala so besibhala business kusasa bambala ngibambe mina bekuyilezi siphasa ke 30% 40% bengingasi genius bengicrema
campus and forget
hayi bengicrema ngenze liphasa mfethu bengingasi genius
because of beso focus kulento yebhola
kona sesikolweni bengicoach mos nalapha ama studies wami wabhayiziseka ngo12 uyi free coach esikolweni bayakhipha eclassini la grade 10 bathamba ufuna ama under 14 kumele uye class to class uyokhetha wazi intwana zaselokishini bebalanda mina ngihambe ngiyozikhetha intwana ngizikhetha sambe siyodlala so angisabhala ngomeke
so kudliwe mawumeke into zesikole so kahle lento yebhola ayikuya so athi ngithi ngifuna ibackground kahle endlini ngithi endlini yasonto nani so endlini ubani bekumuntu odlala ibhola maybe that's where uthini ayisananga umuntu bekathi bekayenza sona so ukwazi ukuni encourage kancane ngithini ebholini ngifocus intwana azingayenzeka lento lena okhona umuntu bekagudu odlala ibhola bamaziyo
thanda uyazi mfethu njengoba sikhulela la elokishini uba khona ubaba ne but ungabi khona ku family side yakhe mhlawumbe ukhulele ekhaya umama kanti uphethe into zakhabo thaya mina eplazini akunamuntu odlala ibhola ekhaya umama wami bonke libambonke mebasonta baphethe into ukuthi siyasonta siyasebenza so mina bengifuze khabo time la mina edlala ibhola but bengekho eduze kwakhe bengeke close naye bengingasumuntu benclose naye mfethu so endlini bagcine babona ukuthi okay lo fuze ngale thi simguy support
so endlini support beyiningi via football yonke
bebala endlini nangu uyazi na church la sontela khona bebalala abandlala ephansi balale siyodlala kusasa swini badle masidla besidla into e1 manje sivumelana ngeteam fish esivumelana ngeteam fish sidle yabe umnandi mfethu kakhulu isupport meyikhona die please ethokoza la emakhukulu meyikhona beshuba le masensesiluma kumakrizama hayi lapho ke ngakutshela umakrizama kunabantu abazolala la urumadalamba ngasho straight haya kuyo sontweni kusasa ndoda
and but I feel like you were liking my player
yeah
you were liking my player because you team yakho you would get players only good players
and the very quality
I feel like at that point there was a time where everyone wanted to play for league and then it happened for not ngekuphi to pay
generation to generation
masa side angithi ukufundisa uthuthi nami ngijoja tickets it's fine so it went nale ntwana zabogama they came kweza nalezi ezincane view
and then generation to generation
yeah
like what were you doing to convince the ntwana to leave their team to come
mfethu besikulanda endlini angekucambela manga mfethu besikulanda endlini futhi moke wasihlupa because besisi brand yabo besidla wonke umuntu I remember yabona uRam ukuxoxa istory sakhe ukuthi uze kanjani eklabini
athi silungise oratile lebili
uye oratile lebili
yeah
ukuthi uze kanjani eklabini simthatha na 10 years sidlala against bona udlalele linye time abathu press udlalele linye time abathu press so mina ngiyazibuza ukuthi sihlula umuntu oyi1 ona 10 omncane kanje udlala against ama 2-1 lapho sifake nabo France that time ni cheating bekhona nan but this boy good this boy Eden Park bekusaphuma ama-Cox wamahala yakhumbula kuke kwaba ne-sponsor kuphuma ama-F50 ama-Mercurial mahala so mina into ebeyinginisa mfethu bengilithatha lilisha linjalo ngibatshele labafana labo ukuthi angithi baphuma ama-Cox aboma y50 ngithathe the best nokulanda endlini mfethu mangifika endlini mfethu sibindi uyabulala magrisa karama bekangadlali mfethu ngamlande ebusuku kuyiSunday ngibuye church ngathi mama ngifuna lo mfana lo athi never isisuthi angisazi ke lapha yabo isisuthi njengoba ngisazi mfethu mina ngasazi ngebhola hey kubadla mshimane obayarani angeke ngilibeke la eCox ngithi clubini yethu kunje azikho lezo zinto lezo statistics yaSiphiwe isithombe sakhe uyahamba uSiphiwe Mdumbi uyenza ikhadi elimbali liyabuya mali kuya sisibhethi scale uthi keep plastic sisithombe sakaSiphiwe sesifaka uthando njani paste besithenga nama plastic card sifake silenza manje fika Saturday baba ngathi la kudala baba baziya lapha elayini nje yawena soSiphiwe nje and angeke ubuye umbuze negama umbuze nani ubuye umuntu lo and emathapeka I think ukuyithi dialing there was a time sokuyithi kupheke siyenzayo lento leyo lapho mfethu besikhona ukuthi mana bese no opponent etough lezo school alo angayihle lo asimenzele for this weekend so we go reaching azovela kanti besiyenza lento leyo but manje cheating ayisekho mfethu yabo mina ngathi after boma besi futhi ukhuluma iqiniso besiyenza sonke
bonke la ukuthi
besiyenza sonke mfethu hayi ukuthi ngiyaba expose or kanjani niyazi women's play besiyenza sonke mofike kahle ngumecall mofike force lokubecall until ba introduce myself ba introduce myself na wena sithi cheating ayiphele manje hayi bese
mawuthi ukuthi phelile cheating
ayiphelanga in the big stage in the big stages ayiphelanga because bashaye forgery straight nge-passport straight home affairs abantu abanemali basayenza I think but sathi nesibhilivela kuphi kuya talent especially basene senior that's where sengikona ukubona ukuthi mose ngiyacompete ngentwana encane what's the isdingo sokuthi ngiyoforge phansi bese ngasaforge lapho sengikona ususa ku AC under 15 bayodlala ku senior team basheshe bakhulu hayi basheshe bakhulu avele ngiyekela lento leyo I think early uma 2018 sheshe yaphela lento leyo
no and time went and then did you get to GDL
hayi kathola 11
yeah
11
how did you get to GDL now
so athi siqale kahle ngithi
GDPL Gauteng Development Promotional League if you win that promotion you go to GDL still yeah baby
so ufika kanjani la iqala elaborate kahle yabo singayithathi ngama shortcuts sizwe ukuthini ngiqale la mase coach under 15 ngawini league esona ngathola promotion to ila GDL ithola kanjani yonke lento or ufike sothola umuntu one team athenga nangi status ku GDL ungafaka
amathengiso
ila yangithi like ngenze example nyami ukuthi wena uthola kanjani all those promotions there as coach a young coach awayenza 18 years sisila awayenza 18 years
shuthi angithi mawini Eden Park yakhumbula thathi boy kuma playoff basekhululeni sadlala e-region 2015 first time ngicala ukudlala ngigroup yama 2002 nama 2003 abanye ke ama4 beswadlalisa say udlala 2 years ngithi August 2015 2016 2017 senior move nabo under 17 2018 mele uqeda until under 19 so thina saba nenhlanhla sayidlala 5 years mase babheka ama recommend ama team abangawa recommend ukudlala iGDPL like laba bebagcina isikhathi babangathola amawukuva plus negama besisitshintshile so besinomunye maGriza naye nje udlalile role egrand nje yabo just ukuthi izinto
zenza nje into zebhola
into zebhola yena ke beka kusafa maGriza lo beka ku region angene eziwomen yabo yazi umuntu esimama yakho ukuthola coach ungene yabo so beka lapha yani anya something so mama recommend ama team ukuthi ayashoda ngalo ku-GDPL leli lethu kumele balwe mfethu ukuthi laba ama-grand badlale yonke leminyaka laba they can compete that side yeah but masidlala le league uJeliver sasingekho ready kwanami coach ngekho ready futhi ku-Cat 11 awazimele coach fine ukuthi beniyonke into lapha ya lapha yonke yonke into club owner coach and everything ngoba nje behind ama-city lapha ukwenza ikhadi uregister emshini register online ngiyaregister ngaphi-session kumele uyenze abe wenze zonke lezo zinto lezo imali ze-transport ekuseni ngiyaziqoqa okay nabo bagcwalisele nani yeah.
So was it difficult ngaleso sikhathi leso because of obviously hayi wonke umntwana udlalayo ethimini ukuba afford there's challenges like uthina okay omunye akanama-cox ekhaya akabani bani akunantonyana so you have to ukuthi u-accommodate wonke umuntu lento loma situation wakwazi uku-adjusta kanjani.
Yeah, bebeke grade i-GDPL intense ukuthi futhi sihlule ngokuyi-sponsor mfethu because that time kumele ube ne-ambulance game day bayibiza manje first aid I think kumele uyibhukhe mfethu ubhukhe i-stadium every week uma uhome away mfethu ndlala eTshwane Monday nge-25 igaming show ngizophelela thina noMpara wathi ngidlala Pitori social move boyifila mfethu uthola ezinye izisitoti ke lokushini ikhona imali endlini manje uthi abanginikanga yabo uhlangabezana nama-player njalo ezinye ayikho uthanda ama-player afana nabo Messi Paula Park one of emakasi shaya nge-rich talent lela kasi leya
Paula Park vele talent is rich
la shaya nge-rich talent ama-player bengwalana lapha yami but i-challenge bese kuba ukuthi and bayakhipha imali ayikuthi abayikhiphi during the month emaphakathini i-GDPL besishaya la sesinokuye gaming division under 13 C8 under 15 C6 kumele uthathe laba be-under 13 kuba 8 ku-under 15 under 17 C8
so ugcine
and the 4 divisions mfethu ibhasi cabanga mfethu liyadura mfethu sayidlala isizini e-1 that's when-ke eklabhini mase kumele sibuyele for i-2022 season that's when iklabhu ixabana into ama-ticket was 11 kuxabana i-management phezulu nathi ama-promises lawo sithembiswe wona imali basayitholi mfethu sekunodlula 3 months aholi 3 months mfethu aholi but iklabhu yonke into iyayenzeka bakutshela ukuthi ubamba umoya sobe-grand mase 2022 awasifela lapho-ke that's when-ke hayi into ethi thina ne-GDPL ne-Culturas 11 club yaphela.
So from Mountain Obasi
Culturas 11
Culturas 11 isikhathi esingakanani?
Siqala nini? Manje seems 2018 I think.
Then
2018 sahlukana 2022.
But then being nama tournament nawinayo
mfethu akumnandi mfethu nawe ube wabakhona Culturas 11
yeah
wala ube wabakhona aphethu
umnandi it was there but then obviously kunama challenges you even ngifuna eziya naso story naso sengisifuna kahle yakhe ngitshele you go play ikebo ngwena ngama player na 16 17 tournament amanda 19
yeah 2021
you win that tournament
sure
isikadile ukuthi kumele udlale Red Bull qualification yokudlala Red Bull tournament at 1000 one day tournament
yeah
so what happens there uyangalezo intwana or kwenzakalani
next mfethu zangayamazo 2021 bena 21 into yenzakalayo mangimile tournament ya under 19 but the qualification AC le intwana lezi sijwayele senior zidlala ku under 19 za qualify bekudlala bondusa ku Ace abo Pepe abo Seshi abo Messi iziningi zadlala nje la machine
so ultimately mention the three lesi nentonyana lesi bana ma contracts or they had contracts
Seshi se-GM nithi
yeah bangama lakho
olwethu sulela but utshintshe isibongo uzakwamke olwethu umgate but usulela manje yeah from emakadimi akade 13 bekalusulela until aba umgate yeah Windows opa mdawo umlinzo
yeah so which is ukuthi esikala first team contract
yeah
maplayer what developing la kusibana maplayer what developing so oratile lebelo umtholiseka
yazi injani lento lethando I think nabanye abocoach bangafakaza esinawo ku development iplayer walithola na 10 walikeepa wena from 10 years until recently stage under 15 who will develop le player thina besibathola mfethu bana 10 badlalela amanye ama team but bebakhulu yithi mfethu besichinja yonke into
Obe senpolisha.
thina nje besipolisha nje bese sidila ngaloko but yona into lamasuya kuyo uyibuze izokutshela ukuthi hayi mina kahle kahle ilight ibona nje indlela ngithatha ukhushu kanje ya ziyabala esizithole esifikele eklabini zakhulela eklabini abomeka mfethu bebamuva kwepala usintweni abadlali ibhola bebukela nabukhaya khona levimba ya lezo nje ama products vele wala PlayStation 2 straight lapha ya ima player wethu straight la but ke bondosi sibalande F unit F sibalande station 5 silande 1 kanjalo but mabazobuza ngeteam la udeveloper yakho uzoshuta not everyone ya kuba into
so asibuyele kule Red Bull because of story sakho namangisizwa abajita ababhaye bayethe especially le ntwana ezilithona what happens there because of cultural 11 you have to represent the towards Warriors
remember represent
cultural yonke then uhamba nabo bani uhamba kanjani izinto zichinja kanjani etafuleni because of egcineni ezoshuthikela abanengxabano agcina senhlwana cultural 11 what really happened kahle ngaleso sikhathi
bangibiza mfethu usikhulu umuntu bekaphethe club wangibiza wabiza umevule one of the good coaches in Ukraine ke babiza yena basihlalisa su3 bayamtshela ukuthi umevu ukuyuwina
the Red Bull one of the most spectacular
and the multi uyuwina last year so akasa qualify ungena yabo but seku qualify in the out sesifiki beswini Easter thina beswini tournament but yohlangana nabo phambili so yena usesenale into le yabo abangihlalise phansi nje into encane basho bathi ayipo ngimzulu kumele yini lapho sesemncane so uzoba assistant coach na head coach baby list la bathi nawo ama players odlala lawo amancane wonke awahamba
so ngitshele ke mababala lo player ngibalele leyo group leyo obviously I guess you can name the name ngawani ngiyakhumbula ngobuningi babo
from the teams and I think about Tony
squad base lapha bekunale ba
squad mabala left back
ya
uThembo bekadla besilanda kusquad umevule balanda kusquad Killer
Shavi
Kala khona
no
professor so you managed to coach Kala
I was assistant first instruction beyiphuma abo Viva iba bemebadlala lapha but ke mina sayidini yabo but everything yenziwa umevule ubuya ukuthi amajita wayethe imfethu club kufanele ukuthi club imfethu iyaphela just ukuthi izinto lebeziloyal kimi after that isiziza zathola ama team ubuningi bazo after that thing umunye seka kuTS nani bakune tournament under 17 izobeziza coach sicela udlala zidla but imfethu layini
siphulile
imfethu yaphula mina yaphula club
so now we kule stage ukuthina lento lenye iyeka vele
mfana ibhola liyayethana too much kaningi uthina liyekela ibhola ulandwe endlini ushintshe igama leclub bakulande mfethu asisebenzeni asibuyeni even namanje phela sisebenzisela igama from Culturas 11 sekumega Stars yabona ukuthi ama changes formaning kanjani Mountain Rovers Culturas 11 Mega Stars but iJeni sesomuntu lo1
shuthi nje lungeka i-revolver around wena and in most cases Mega Stars coach obani ntwana le
Ndofo Matlaba
Matlaba ngoni Matlaba kakhulu so nawe so nintonyana yakho encane sayidini uthini okay nami ngayicala ngimncane phela Matlaba mncane and Matlaba is good is good Matlaba so ukhula ngaleso sikhathi leso what happens ke so creator elinye la elini yakho ufila kanjani manje ubona ukuthi okay nami sonento ukuthina ngiyakho
sengukuma nayo uceleni zibelele
ngiyadanya khomba manje
mfethu bekuyidegrade le uChelivar besilwa nathi le uMatlaba when lento umzeke beyenza kimi mina bengiyenza 2 times just yena ke no bekunzima because nenkinga yani ukuthola ama play mathi mabhaya manje maningi thina loku easy thina noma ungakhona ukucoach ama players isifana ukuba ngathi siyashaya so yena bengilwa naye 2 times ukuthi ufitha ama results awekho kwenzakalani you need to be the best team until akhula be grand umuntu o grand yena coaching o grand namanje uzune club yakhe namanje uzumclub yakhe ikhona Mega Stars ikhona club yakhe because besinabo coach abayi2 but ama vision wabo inside Mega Stars and mina bengi outside umuntu oza ngama tournament sometimes league mangifika kuhlala kune confusion until ngithi angifethu uvula ibranch yakho nawe izimele yabo awulahleka ngapha kusesekhaya ngapha kusesekhaya so uzimele ngapha nalolu muntu ofisa recruit usesekhona uyochubeka Mega Stars.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa so ngitshele nje mangathi ngibalele lesi development yakho mama ngibalela lesi few players ongathi okay ya ana contract or ana club athini sho kanjani
even good
development uyimuchize yazi okay ya lo ngihambisile udlala ku Chiefs and the likes of my kids ufika ngoma 6 years 7 years kids odlala kana 13 ana ngakhe 8 9 ngiyakumule station 2 ashaya idolo lapha mele sokwa yeah so angibalele such players okay I think the story saka Miki
o saka Meki
yeah the story saka Miki
ukukhula nje
kwakhe
umeka mfethu umthola take i-orange muva kwebhala cabanga ukuthi i-orange ukuthi kanjani lo muntu unako 7 like vele umuntu mina onelihlo shuthi siyadlala take i-orange ayi lentwana le komteka 5 awukama yakabubani lentwana le ukhaya lapho sesemncane ukhaya yabithi lentwana le so ayize Jimmy siyeze Jimmy sibintwana ikhulu trade ikhulu kwenza but ibukela kusikwami station 2 yakho amshade idolo na masidlala final nge tournament because into abathi curtain race in final and bekuzodlala kusikwami ngokala ugcwele crowd so ngilila ngathi tsana ipo 2016 ayamfaka mfethu umuntu lo mfethu that was the introduction yakhe njobusho nawe lo shayidolo lapha yana what crowd yonke yathi babakalazi ukuthi udlala ibhola lapha that's when baba kasukuma umthengela ama cox ayibeka umsupporter vele uMantalaki kuye makathi 9 years qala indilelayo ke ukuthi ndoda awume ngamadolo manje and lapho ujimana kungithi nakuMessi nabo Seshi ujimana izinja lapha
hayi izinja
ujimana ko8 lapho ujimana iquality ujimana icream yila group yami ithu implayo ke since coach mina lezi izinto zonke abo Mataiba lezi hayi besikiye ukona icala sibuye sithi 113 so makajimana la kubantu labo yamnceda kakhulu lento le and masiphuma sekatongo asihlanga kuphupho sinini senze squad sometimes nabo uphumula yonke into ibona la iduze kwakhe kwaba umuntu ukhulayo ecaba ibhola too much makathi 12 years Chiefs we-value development the first time abayivula sa email ku Chiefs basibize natural samisa simbambe ngesandla natural simisa lapha ya masiphume natural guess what bathi hayi sanibona le player i-grand sicela kudala kuba nama player e-cultural sicela isenze le tournament sizoza thina sizo scout abasafuna umuntu oyi-1 manje abo sebafuna abantu e-cultural sekumele manje ngenze top 8 sengibiza 4 eKatlehong sengibiza 4 ngapha there was when bathatha uMayi odlala ku-left back ukhona ku-Chiefs 2008 intwana yakhona bamthathela lesigcwele stars bathatha uThuto kuplayer lethu Thuto bekadlala kithi that's when uMajida 3 avaya kanjalo same naye Mekethu ugoba kanjalo adlala ku-Chiefs under 13 under 15 bamkhatha mfethu because ayilapha yana ku-development ziyabuya waya ku-TS from TS wadlala isizini manje ku-hype ijeni yakhe yonke leyo and is 18 next year after 18 into enzakalayo mfethu ama-amateur coaches like lawa la elokishini after 18 player laba na 18 niyahlukana mfethu like it's not nizohlukana especially uma na 15 nizohlukana ngeke usamtshele next so leyo nilindele nani masinibona njalo lamanye ama-team ukuthi because ngiyayibona ukusebenza ngalini and abantu esibakhulule ngenhliziyo emhlophe nabo sethi mabadlala siyajabula mfethu sibacommentator usabe nokushiyisa ukuthi ayiwazi ukuthi namanga nocommentator le wayithi yona umkhulisile ukuthi vele lekhona yabo but ke next year is 18 that's when azoqala ibhola ukuthi uyaqhubeka olwenza but nje lokushilo lonke bayazi
so njengoba usho kanjalo thina sibana 18 bani obviously nawe noma player what develop namabhaya like ikhethe kanjani like obviously une club sobona iplayer lakho edlala somewhere la no coach uthizi insalandwa ngemoto ezibukusho behind the scenes uthini team yabo Simpi France Scapi nani ama-player wakho phela manje sebazi imali manje bami 20 rand bamana 20 point so it affects kanjani I think because I know there's real players but there are players abafuna izinto ngaphandle abafuna impilo ngaphandle
so mfethu be affect mfethu because leyo group level beyenza lento Chase League like first team league is number 2 then mfethu kwafika umuntu mfethu abantu bebabeka imali straight yayo ngifuna le ntwana lezi isi age group e1 tshela straight WhatsApp ekuseni ngitamizi amizi mfethu amizi sometimes niyadlala easy imoto imele game uyongena umuntu sekayodlala tournament ebig yabo mfethu lokuba nzima but besibana lethemba lokuthi khona abalandela bona every time bahlale bakhona more register umuntu register imoto something because mfethu ngiziyazi abo Sims abo Laida abo Scapi ngizayi
lesitanga ukhetha kamala
wangekho ama opportunity just yet zamuvela kwamanye ama team sithatha lezi ezinye sazisikhuphula ku first team base affect lapho sasadliwa neleague mfethu akubumhlungu mfethu ongayazi mfethu sekazobuza lezo zinto leyo ibulala la mfethu yonyayetha kuma amateur 11 coaches iplay emalihamba liya kwenye i-team iklabu lokise sekhona iyahetha kakhulu beyibulala yona
so yeah mina think sesivala no yabona
before what do you want to ask? Don't you want to go back? I feel like we won't get a period of journey of being a coach. Don't you want to go back and have that same structure you had in 2011?
Who 2011?
Yeah, 2011, sorry.
Yeah, I'm not going to funding. I can go back because in fact, we just kidneys of faith. It's never anything. I think people are in the convenience and faith, especially when it comes to managing team and coaching. Future isn't a coach will be management. I think it's in Tabang pay on I will call us and get corners. See, you don't be able to change but when it comes to football, man have okay development na imali senior, especially man with senior special more exposure because into this tournament big. Umuntu amela keep 3.5 time for continue training first game snake. Go Eastern from Eastern is mistake. If them umuntu ozobelieve ukuthi la investor la funi patient la abanye bebamthola besinayo mara baphinda benama doubts maqedwe kwini masikudlalwa in last 8 uyalanga into awami la play. There was a time ngidlala ngani station 2 yakucoach mix and umuntu okhipha imali uyo
yakhumbula maqeda
ukhona
but abakhumbula
akafali intwana mfethu ace that like sekuba nini yenza lento leyo so if the question is simple for me ukuthi ngibuyele ebholweni full time mfethu if they can be funding mfethu mina ngingabuyela yabona ubutoxic bebhola angisabi hayi ubutoxic bebhola vele kumene la bukhona la dathandwana mfethu ujeqiniso nje kasi football khona lento le pretense nani but ukubuyela full time if bathi khona umuntu ofaka funding mina ngifocus entweni yami mfethu mayenza
so manje ngicabanga ukuthi if lento lezi scattered man they playing everywhere so do you think ukuthi can you still get them back
faka imali wena uzobona mfethu
ungazibuyisa
mfethu faka imali mfethu faka imali
amaplayer wakho mabhala
faka imali like tournament ngiyababuyela mawujobukela idinamo 1 mawujobukela kupinamo 1 aphe igame azanjabule la ukhona emqeqeshi nani so magama khona imali thanda but nayo imali sefaka mfethu slice idlalele neleague abangekho basemaklabhini wabo khona abachumelayo basebe abadlalayo khona abahleli phela tamende abantswembu
basadlala
khona abahleli endabantswembu just nje ba bora nje yabona shintsha amatap nani. So imali bayingaba khona that's when ngingabuya kodwa ukubuya nje ngitry nje ngizidle ngemali yami angeke mfethu angeke nje ngilunga
so nje usokusho kanjalo njalo mangathi like since as a coach experience here all these challenges mangathi advise ama coaches nama upcoming players it's okay mafethu even if ne club so discipline kanjani yini into ongayisho kubo just to motivate them team bayenze
ucoach abayazi into abayifunayo mfethu angithi into uyenza ine vision ne mission if une under 13 mfethu give that under 13 space of 6 years that's 2 years I mean to 15 17 they need to go to senior mfethu and then kulawo ma player lawo uma une under 13 mhlawumbe usavula team mfethu make sure mfethu give the boys exposure mfethu mina ngathola lokushini exposure ngekho mfethu umuntu oqala la ekhasi kula tournament Slate Chiefs Slate Sundowns ize Soweto Scouts so bese ngekini bese ngekho lezo zinto manje check manje ukuthi zingakho into ezifaka ama track suit especially sidlalela Mega Stars bakela tournament bazelo wakhala bathi ayifika Europa yabo so amathitha ngifuna nawo abe ne mindset even the coaches abe ne mindset ukuthi these boys must go out mfethu abaphume labafana lawo even province abaphume mfana kanti akaphume mfana yeah kungisingayenzeli thina abacoach uthi ayibamba until phela la ekhasi spiritual attack hayi lethokoza for Lawrence kahle on spiritual attack intwana manje 16 yashintshela sicoach we've lost the talent in kabi kuneyintwana ezidlala from under 13 ulanda endlini wazi ukuthi insweni bayifika ku16 years yastop ukudlala ibhola due to drugs due to alcohol due to ukukhothana kusekho that time lokukhothana usithathela ama play mina ngakubalela eziningi mfethu izinswebu ekumele ngabe zidlala professional mangithi spiritual attack la elokushini ngisho izinto ezenzakalayo ezisibambayo thina into esizibonayo mfethu so abo coach bangafuna ukubamba intwana yekele intwana mayine 13 or 12 iphume mayiku academy idiscipline i5 times ukudlula thina ukuze indlule u1 kunzima ukuze indlule u1 kunzima ohlangana nayo kwabili kutshela ngicebishe makancane yabo but bayiku academy yaba nalento yokusaba yokufihla ya amajita wena leyo mindset
vele mfethu njengoba sesiyivala mfethu into vele mele sikhumbule vele the podcast is like it's with the aim is to educate not to sikhuluma indaba zabantu it's their journey la journey abayikhuluma ngayo to educate abanye abantu to those young ones abahamba ababhekelayo nama podcast it's for them to grow and understand ezinye izinto ukuthi we here to assist them to watch our cool obviously they can hit ulihle kuma WhatsApp nafuna ama advice but yeah njalo mina ngifuna ukuthi ngiyabonga ukuthi uzile usitshela ngeexperience yakho ibhizi nama challenges owabonile nani and educate abanye bo coach ukuthi okay kanje na kanje ngidlula indawo nezithize nathize and you have players who are combating they have professional contracts namhlanje
yeah and they have to expose the intwana that's my problem now intwana lezi they just play nje kuphela abanye bazidlalisa as you find intwana ezimnandi dog to a point ukuthi ubone ukuthi intwana le is not even supposed to be played he's not seen that
yeah
exposure is needed
which development nje ukukhulu exposure
that's why ngithi yabona we clearly have people like you abawazi ukukhuluma amaqiniso team bafethu pushani intwana is to educate bafethu into esiyisayo education bafethu as educating abantwana ukuthi benze into right azini bafethu ngoba ngeke izoba yina ngesiqede njalo ngihle siyabonga mfethu ukufika mfethu to amathi skichilazi sacela bafethu don't forget to like comment subscribe bafethu subscribe ngithi siva letha sibonge siphinde sithokoze mangathokoza ngathi nayo phinde kuthokoze ba thank you